So first, what I gotta do to finish up pretty much is just drill out these holes like that, because right there is too small, you see? It doesn't fit. This is an M6 bolt, and then once you do it to a quarter, it fits in perfectly. So that's what I'm doing. This is the hardware, pretty dope, and I'm gonna go with that with black. Oh, I still gotta make a hole right there actually. Poked up. So I'm gonna run that neochrome and then with some black. Get that in there right there. And I'll hit it with the snap-on. Send it, bro. Cool. It's got a few more. Bam. Bam, son. Oh. Man, that shit is harder to do with one hand, but I got it. That's what she said. Okay. Fits perfectly. Boom. One more? No, fuck. Two more. Three more. Four more. Five more. This is how it looks, but as you can see, I haven't drilled that hole, and then I missed that one too, because the guy that did the kit didn't have it on there, but I didn't realize. So it looks good. Once I get like the wheels and everything painted, it's gonna look awesome.